Hey there, welcome back to CRAFTSMAN. Today we're looking at the CRAFTSMAN V20 Max 150 watt power inverter. The CRAFTSMAN CMCB1150B 150 watt power inverter is really easy to use, very lightweight, it's perfect to have around the shop or in your car for emergencies. It works with the V20 Max series of batteries. They come in a variety between 1.5 amp hours up to 9 amp hours. The biggest one I have here is a 5 amp hour. But all you have to do is slip on your charged battery and press the power button. You'll see the green LED light up and it's ready to go. It has a 150 watt AC outlet and a USB-C and a USB-A port, and also has a built-in flashlight. It's perfect for the shop, having it in your car for emergency, or in your house for any kind of power outage. Pretty cool little product. You probably think I'm getting paid by Sears or CRAFTSMAN or Lowe's or Ace Hardware to do these CRAFTSMAN tool reviews, but I've been using CRAFTSMAN tools pretty much all my life. I went through my toolbox and I found what I believe are my oldest tools, which are 2 CRAFTSMAN screwdrivers that I either stole from my dad or I bought them from Sears back in the late 60s or 70s. And I actually used these, I believe, to make my first legal car, which was a dune buggy that I built back in college. And I built it with a good friend of mine, Charlie Bruce. And actually, I still use these tools today. So let's see how it works with a power drill. We have a 5 amp hour battery. We're going to power it up, plug in our drill, and this is didn't last too long. So it's not enough for a power drill. Let's try a fan. This is a shop fan of mine. I'm going to plug her in. Power's on. Doesn't quite get a power fan. Now we're going to test it with a LED light bulb. And here you'll see, let me see if I can get it into focus. Power it on. Plug it in. We see that it does power a LED bulb. So that's pretty cool. So we're going to see how this works with our charging a laptop. So we have it powered up. We got a 2 amp hour battery. And then what I'm going to do is plug in a kilowatt meter, which I picked up at our local Harbor Freight. I think it's available kind of all over the place. When you plug it in, it shows, let me go ahead and unplug the power supply. But you see that it's generating about 120 watts. There are no amps flowing through it. I'm sorry, there's 120 volts and there's no watts being pulled through it. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in the laptop charger. Make sure the laptop is turned on. And you can see just pull in about 8 watts. Let's check the amps. And it's pulling about 0.25 amps, let's say. So this is a 2 amp hour battery. So it is, it should power the laptop for about 8 hours, based on my calculations. So that's pretty good for a little portable inverter. We didn't have the microphone connected when I did this test, so I'm doing a voiceover. But what we did was we connected to the USB-A port on the inverter, connected it up to an old Samsung phone that I have, and that's been dead for a couple years. And it started charging right up. It was pretty cool. Today we looked at the CRAFTSMAN 150 watt power inverter that's powered by the CRAFTSMAN V20 Max series of lithium-ion batteries. What we found was that it doesn't really have power to help you power tools in your shop, but it's great to recharge your phone, recharge your laptop, or your tablet. And it's got a great little flashlight. So I think it's perfect to have in your toolbox or your shop or your house. If you're already invested in the V20 Max series of batteries, it does give you that inverter capability. I hope you enjoyed today's video on the CRAFTSMAN 150 watt power inverter. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.